Disclaimer: this video is a futuristic thought process on what warfare would look like in Space Frontier. Why are there not more people talking about the future of warfare? For millennia, humanity has waged war on a single battlefield: Earth. We have fought for territory, resources, and ideology, leaving scars on our planet and its people. But the nature of warfare is changing. We are on the cusp of a new era, one where the battleground extends beyond the sky into the vast expanse of space. Space, once a realm of peaceful exploration and scientific discovery, is becoming militarized. Nations are increasingly aware of the strategic importance of space. They are developing technologies to exploit its unique advantages. The stakes have never been higher. Control of space could determine the fate of nations. This is not science fiction. It is the reality we face. We must understand the implications of this new frontier of warfare. Our future may depend on it. The question is not if space will become a battlefield, but when, and the answer may be sooner than we think. Imagine a squadron of spacecraft, sleek and deadly, navigating the darkness of space. These vessels, with their cutting-edge technology and advanced design, glide effortlessly through the void, their surfaces reflecting the distant starlight. They move with a purpose, a silent testament to the advancements in space travel and warfare. They are not controlled by human hands. No pilots sit in their cockpits. No human eyes scan the horizon for threats. Instead, these spacecraft are the epitome of autonomous technology, operating without the need for human intervention. Instead, they are guided by artificial intelligence, cold, calculating, and ruthlessly efficient. These AI systems are designed to process vast amounts of data in real time, making split-second decisions that could mean the difference between victory and defeat. This is the future of warfare in space: autonomous weapons systems, capable of making life-or-death decisions without human intervention. These systems can engage enemy targets, navigate complex environments, and execute missions with a level of precision and speed that is unmatched by human operators. AI offers significant advantages in the unforgiving environment of space. The harsh conditions, from extreme temperatures to radiation, pose challenges that human operators would struggle to overcome. Autonomous systems, however, can operate continuously without the need for rest or sustenance. Vast distances and the speed of light make real-time communication with Earth impractical. In the vast expanse of space, delays in communication can be critical. Autonomous systems can bridge this gap, making decisions on the spot without waiting for instructions from Earth. Autonomous systems can react instantly to threats, making decisions at a speed no human could match. Whether it's evading an incoming missile or launching a counterattack, these systems operate with a level of efficiency that is unparalleled. They can analyze vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and predicting enemy movements with chilling accuracy. By processing information from multiple sources, these AI systems can anticipate threats and respond proactively, often before the enemy has even made their move. But this autonomy comes with a heavy price. The reliance on AI introduces new risks and uncertainties. What happens when these systems malfunction or are compromised by cyber attacks? What happens when machines decide who lives and who dies? The ethical implications of allowing AI to make such critical decisions are profound and troubling. What happens when an algorithm malfunctions, potentially triggering a catastrophic conflict? The consequences of a malfunctioning AI system in space could be devastating, leading to unintended escalations and loss of life. These are not hypothetical questions. As we develop and deploy these technologies, we must grapple with the ethical and moral dilemmas they present. They are ethical dilemmas we must confront now before it's too late. The decisions we make today will shape the future of warfare in space and the role of AI in our society. The future of warfare in space may be driven by machines. These autonomous systems have the potential to revolutionize how conflicts are fought, offering new capabilities and strategies. But the decision to wage war must remain firmly in human hands. While AI can assist and enhance our capabilities, the ultimate responsibility for life and death decisions must rest with humans. We must proceed with caution, ensuring that AI remains a tool, not a master. By establishing clear guidelines and ethical standards, we can harness the power of AI while safeguarding our humanity. Drones have become synonymous with modern warfare on Earth. From reconnaissance missions to targeted strikes, these unmanned aerial vehicles have transformed the battlefield. Their ability to operate without risking human lives has made them invaluable assets in military operations. But their impact on space warfare could be even more profound. As we extend our reach beyond our planet, the role of drones is set to expand dramatically. In the vast expanse of space, where human presence is limited and costly, drones offer a practical solution for a variety of tasks. Unmanned and highly maneuverable, space drones offer a versatile and cost-effective platform for a range of military applications. They can be equipped with advanced sensors and weaponry, making them capable of performing complex missions autonomously. From surveillance to offensive operations, these drones are designed to adapt to the unique challenges of space. Imagine swarms of drones, small and difficult to detect, patrolling the orbit around Earth. These swarms could act as a first line of defense, monitoring for potential threats and responding swiftly to any incursions. Their small size and agility make them hard to track and even harder to intercept. They could be deployed to surveil enemy satellites, disable critical infrastructure, or even launch kinetic attacks on ground targets. The ability to strike from space adds a new dimension to military strategy, offering unprecedented reach and precision. Their small size and maneuverability make them incredibly difficult to defend against. Traditional defense systems may struggle to detect and neutralize these agile drones, giving them a significant tactical advantage. The development of space drones is already underway. Engineers and scientists are working tirelessly to push the boundaries of what these machines can do. Prototypes are being tested, and new technologies are being integrated to enhance their capabilities. Several countries are investing heavily in this technology, recognizing its potential to revolutionize warfare. Nations are racing to develop the most advanced drones, seeking to gain a strategic edge in the new frontier of space. These drones could act as the eyes and ears in space, providing real-time intelligence and carrying out missions too dangerous for human pilots. They can operate in harsh environments, withstand extreme conditions, and perform tasks with precision and efficiency. The use of drones in space raises important ethical and legal questions. As we deploy these machines, we must consider the implications of their actions. The potential for misuse and unintended consequences is significant, and we must navigate these challenges carefully. Who is responsible when an autonomous drone causes unintended damage? The question of accountability becomes complex when machines operate independently. Establishing clear guidelines and protocols is essential to prevent conflicts and ensure responsible use. How do we prevent the proliferation of these weapons and ensure they are used responsibly? International cooperation and treaties will play a crucial role in regulating the use of space drones. We must work together to establish norms and prevent an arms race in space. These are challenges we must address as we venture further into this new era of warfare. So are the risks. By approaching this technology with caution and foresight, we can harness its benefits while mitigating its dangers. The future of warfare is before our eyes. Since the dawn of the space age, satellites have played a crucial role in our lives. These marvels of technology have revolutionized the way we communicate, navigate, and observe our world. From the first artificial satellite, Sputnik, launched by the Soviet Union in 1957, to the sophisticated satellites of today, the evolution has been nothing short of extraordinary. They provide communication, navigation, and surveillance capabilities, connecting the globe and shaping our understanding of the planet. Communication satellites enable instant connectivity across continents, allowing us to share information, conduct business, and stay in touch with loved ones. Navigation satellites, like those in the GPS constellation, guide us to our destinations with pinpoint accuracy, whether we're driving in a city or exploring remote wilderness. Surveillance satellites, on the other hand, keep a watchful eye on our environment, monitoring weather patterns, natural disasters, and even human activities. But these same capabilities that benefit humanity can also be exploited for military advantage. Military satellites are equipped with advanced radar and antenna systems, providing critical data for defense operations. They can track enemy movements, intercept communications, and even guide precision weapons to their targets. The dual-use nature of satellite technology means that the same tools that help us in our daily lives can also be used to gain a strategic edge in conflicts. Satellites represent the ultimate high ground. In military strategy, holding the high ground has always been advantageous, and in the context of space, this principle is magnified. From their vantage point in orbit, satellites can observe vast areas of the Earth's surface, providing real-time intelligence and situational awareness that is unmatched by any other means. From their vantage point in orbit, they have an unparalleled view of the Earth's surface. This allows them to capture high-resolution imagery and data that can be used for a variety of purposes, from mapping terrain to monitoring environmental changes. The ability to see and analyze the world from space has transformed fields such as agriculture, urban planning, and disaster response. This makes them invaluable for intelligence gathering, early warning systems, and targeting. Intelligence satellites can detect and track missile launches, providing early warning of potential threats. They can also monitor troop movements and other military activities, giving commanders the information they need to make informed decisions. In targeting, satellites can guide precision weapons to their targets with incredible accuracy, reducing the risk of collateral damage. Destroying or disabling an adversary's satellites could cripple their military capabilities, blinding them and leaving them vulnerable to attack. Anti-satellite weapons, or ASATs, are designed to neutralize these critical assets, and their development has become a priority for many nations. The loss of satellite capabilities can disrupt communication, navigation, and surveillance, severely impacting a nation's ability to conduct military operations. Space stations, too, represent valuable strategic assets. These orbiting platforms serve as hubs for scientific research, technological development, and international collaboration. They provide a unique environment for experiments that cannot be conducted on Earth, advancing our understanding of space and its potential for future exploration. They can serve as forward operating bases, providing a platform for deploying weapons, conducting research, and projecting power far beyond Earth. Space stations can be equipped with various modules for different purposes, from laboratories to living quarters and even potential weapons platforms. Their strategic location in orbit allows them to support a wide range of missions, from scientific exploration to military operations. The International Space Station, a testament to international cooperation, could become a flashpoint in future conflicts. As a symbol of peaceful collaboration among nations, the ISS represents what humanity can achieve when we work together. However, its strategic importance also makes it a potential target in times of conflict, raising concerns about the militarization of space. The weaponization of space is not a question of if, but when. As nations continue to develop advanced space technologies, the potential for conflict in this new domain increases. Space-based weapons, such as directed energy weapons and kinetic kill vehicles, are being researched and tested, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in space warfare. The technologies are already being developed. From advanced propulsion systems to autonomous satellite operations, the innovations in space technology are rapidly evolving. These advancements not only enhance our capabilities in space, but also raise the stakes for maintaining dominance in this critical domain. The stakes are incredibly high. Control of space assets can provide a decisive advantage in both military and civilian contexts. The ability to dominate space could determine the outcome of future conflicts, making it a key area of focus for national security strategies. The control of space and the strategic assets within it could determine the outcome of future conflicts. As we look to the future, the importance of space in global security and geopolitics cannot be overstated. The race to secure and protect these assets will shape the next era of human history, defining the balance of power on Earth and beyond.